Okay, if either of us make this, your third act has a crush on you.
We both hope it's not your crush. Alright, so now, if either of us make it, your first act likes your crush.
Oh! If I make this, that means that the first person you could share and then more has a crush on you.
Emma!
No, it hit the backboard.
Yeah, I did.
It kind of hit the backboard.
But if I make this shot, her second act, love your dad.
A rose in their eye.
No, freaking. If I make this, your second act has a crush on your dad. It's kind of weird. Well, bottom line, guys. I make this. Hey, you're gay, buddy. Oh no! Oh no! My table is broken. If I make this portal thing right here, right now, your mom hates you, bro. Your mom doesn't.
Hey guys, I officially turned myself into a girl. Just kidding.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to hurt you.